Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivex Aim menha ka khatlai trik ulaber 8,000 riu ula pentip balayo ban kemno ya kiba lasuba ki snar haka kam to kam them ya ki ATM ki badai ki bar jilla na Ngut district na jilla Haryana bad kumju ya ki Ngut ki bananong ba Shillong habayo banekren bad kila pathai kubor USP ula penbana baya ki ATM ki bala sha liet bat sha penjulor haringkat ka jingtu ya ka Pisa hamau kriya menha ka arpu waitrik ujimang 8,000 apusan ha ka ba arpu pralak khatlai hajar chispa tingka kilayo ban sei no na ka tei ka ATM kumju ha ka lai photrik uno pra 8,000 apusan hathan smith lai pusan lak san punyo hajar tingka berha ka pratrik urumphang 8,000 apun riu ha ki than melim ha ka ba lai pusan lak tingka layo bantu na ka tei ka ATM USP ula pentip ba yakite ki mukot duma la yo ban register artali hapo maunga police station bat kawai hamadan rating police station hapo ki kendon an jong ka BNS uloong ba kite ki badon kti ban punjulor yak ATM ha kite ki than ki dei ki balat bet bha ha kate ka kamtu ha ka ba omshum pat judon kinu ki ba khampna ban seitu tang hapo nyo minute ya ka Pisa ulapen bana ba ki nyongut ki dikhot ka kanhun Pulit ka special cell ka East Khasi Hills menha ka arpu nyotrik urumphang 8,000 apun riu hapo ka jingyalam u deputy superintendent of police ka operation u simseng sangma u MPS lapha ban tokit ban wad bania ya ki runar ki badon khti Haryana hapo Ngut district bad haga khandai trik ulber 8,000 apun riu ka kanhon Pulit kelas dang ban penlong ya ka jing wad bania ha ka jinge trailang bad ka Central Investigation Agency ka Ngut district ha ka te ka jing wad bania ki kanhon Pulit kilayo ban kem ya ki bala suba don khti ha ka te ka kam nanong ba nu ne Ngut city bad pingwan ha ka shipotrik ulber 8,000 apun riu ya kite ki Ngut latip kum u Salim uba arfun rius nem ka karta na Dorakhi Mewat Haryana bat u Rahul uba laipui snem na Bazitpur Ngut district Haryana ha kabala yo sansni na kabenta ka custody shu ki Pulit ki lalap ksai ru saya ki Ngut ki bala suba don kti ki badei na nong ba Shillong kita kilong u John Fisher Linkhoi laipu ar snem ka karta na umpling bat u Joyous Dura na maulai nongkwar mar ki Pulit kilayo ban kemno na nong ba Shillong ha ka khat artrik ubanai leber 8,000 apun riu ka kanhon special cell ka East Khasi Hills district ka balayalam da u deputy superintendent of police ka East Khasi Hills district u Bipul Das MPS kala kemno sayo weipat ubala suba don benta ha ka te ka kamtu ya ubala tip kerteng kum u Rejol Korim ubala pu prasnem ka karta na chakla ka bahap hapo ka Abhaya Puri police station Bonangaon bat uleyos ali uba arpu prasnem ka karta na Borgaon Soji Nagar bat ka bahap hapo ka Gorkhuk police station laong ba na kite ki runar layo ban kurup ya kitiar ki bala pendon kam ha ka por bakilit ya ki ATM.
So 3 cases of ATM theft were registered in East Khasi Hills district in the recent months. The first one occurred on 21st May 2025 where the ATM which was located at Mokria was robbed and cash 28,13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December another ATM at Smith was looted and cash about 35,57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February, the last ATM which was looted was at Milim and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Maungap, Mananting, and 2 cases in Maungap and 1 in Mananting. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by our DSP Operations Simseng Sangma was deputed to Haryana, Ngut district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of Ngut district, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Shri Salim, 26 years, of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Shri Rahul, 31 years, of Bazipur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime, and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Joyous Dora, 47 years, of Molai Nongkwar. Both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Joyous Dora, we've got 6 days remand. And for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijol Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Bongao. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragao, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on. To actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Khasi Hills Police is endeavouring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. Thank you.
In this, are they the employees of the banks or what is it?
No, these 2 people are actually they are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts, and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These 2 people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted.
So far, how many has been arrested, sir?
So far, we have got 6 people.
Altogether, how many potential suspects, sir?
There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes.
Can you also tell us how you tracked from the day one?
And it took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, SP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas, and actually when they pieced the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there zero down on the culprits.
So is it true that one of the local is a relative of the MLA from Olai?
I'm not in the know if he's related to anything.
So, in one of the viral video which was circulated, it shows that there was an attempt to free the accused from that North Gypsy.
Yes, on the 10th, there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, Ngut district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to Ngut district, to Ngut city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigation is on in Haryana.
new come from they never become the video yung la
Nam tip kata kadika kayim juno dre kata ru kam ya dei ba kata kan investigation de kayim juno ni kwa pa kani kare kade thiki ba but ka ba kare ni pe tang kata ka benta jong ka ATM hi ban pe ko hiyem juno kata kam dan kata terms of reference of investigation
na basim mo pwede ba kanito PE ne kibang employee la ne kata ki agency balik benta sa kidan benda na malok ni ka benta ba
ni kong shat ni la subaya baro hi long Kiba tap Pisa because kani kalalong tebet adu kata hi banong ban sei Pisa tang aport nyum net pat ru aku cukup pot bat tip ru badan Pisa hanta ye ndre hadu menta hi ngimpat lap hi kata bakin de ki long trade ka bank bakin dan keti ndre wada kata gindang docket syakmat ai pan pet dan keti manun dan yang menurut dan badan keti nak kalian politik long trade ka bank ne Kiba tap Pisa
Apalagi kani kecing lah, angkat dang jumpi le, yang lebih sulit itu naik le, nak kalau kau pilih apa ni barai, jadi angkat dang jumpi kan mau pilih beri apa nasi bar.
Kunuk na
Tapi dia kani kecing lah, angkat dang jumpi le, kalau kau kam dah kau ka buat pinang kam kan yo.
em pengalaman ni kong ba kani hi kadi ga jinya trei jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi Kiba kadi bangila piece pada ngila bolang kini evidence ban kasami kin kata ka ngis susu menu badan keti ti bun ki benta jong ka special cell ki bla trei hak ni dan bun ki area se radin lapis kini evidence ko misalap ren kalau penuh taka crime ki commit penuh ka modus operandi kalau penuh kajinya ki kalau penuh
So kani interesting no, but only kita lah.
kani hatat kani ru ngaklen rong Hiba kani hoi ngala sa ngala patai Hiba kani kadi ka ngilayo ban kem hiru taka jingerap jong ka sam polis bar Haryana polis de kibla dan benta ban nyerap ni ban kem hi kini brio shek ki jela ban kerpang ka Central Investigation Agency jong ka Ngut district ban USP jong ka Ngut district lu bala ya yerap shibon ni ban identify ban kem ni kini brio kamde ka masuk ban kem akan ni ka caka ka nu kamtam bun kibri kita pang ka mewa ni kadi it's a very criminal prone district ban akan ni ka caka kamde ka suki ban kem ban atai ka special cell hi like three porba te stom ban identify ban yo ban kem ni
Was it a mix-up or?
see they were planning to what happened is the accused tried to grab the wheels and tried to overturn the car and thereafter a crowd had come and assembled out there and tried to snatch him away. They also tried to snatch the weapon. The police out there were very restrained. They fired in the air, they fired in the ground. In fact, the bullet which hit the person also was a ricochet bullet. They did it because there was fear for their life, and I think it was very much justified. They act with restraint and responsibility.
But you could effectively manage the accused in the Sonam case when there you could bring them back. What went wrong in this case? You could not bring properly.
Like I said, in fact, I just said that place is a very crime-prone place. The mob was violent. We didn't have in those other cases, interstate cases, we didn't have a violent mob who wanted to lynch or at the most we had an instance where a person got slapped. But here it's a violent mob which wanted to snatch weapons, wanted to lynch the police. So we had to take precautionary measures.
Curious to know about the vehicle. Was it from Delhi, Meghalaya police vehicle?
Yes, it is of our Meghalaya police. It was taken from our battalion from Delhi.
How many rounds the police have fired? How many rounds?
I think they fired about 17 rounds.
Machine with the ATM and cash.
Ya kata ngidang bekitan kipri kimbapan yo ki gas cutting machines ikidang dan berki dia ting layo ansar ka kita.
What about cash? Sir?
Ka cash tu ngidang pet ka trail of cash hadin layo orang ni kitan pelalud lapenlut kitan bela sieu kiram juki ti ngidang pet ngidang ni shpat ngidang pet le si kila bu ki the funds shakaway park those funds somewhere else.
The two have been arrested, or the two locals. Is it true that one of them is a former SOT personnel?
Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT personnel.
So his name?
joyous dura.
So how do we read from here? The people coming from outside, they can do commit crime and go back.
Unless you see people from outside will not be able to commit the crime unless they are facilitated by local facilitators.
Ladang ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya piminem don kamra songkai ni songin. Ya keren hi hang ni barako. Kata kalong ka karkom im jang diri undai. Langit ndaki briu klia be kata ka kum ka juk ka pamta kan kanduk kani ka jong uman barim bon ki ai baro ki balik uman barim ki ladu.